Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today topic is about option buying and option selling and option selling. Since all of you knew that most of the time I like to trade only in a derivative contract, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. So only sometimes I used to trade in equity cash, that is those 50 stock. The reason is why I don't like to trade in equity cash is because I cannot focus on all those 50 company. I like to be master only in one or two. So that's why I choose to trade in a derivative contract, that is only Nifty and Bank Nifty. So when I focus more on those two, then when I become a master, then I know in and out of those two, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. I know, I means like, then you will understand when it will stop, or from where it will start rising, or from where it will start coming down, and so on. Its example is like, suppose now you have only uh, you have only one wife, right? Then you will understand her. What does she want from you, or how to treat her? I means like when she is getting angry at you, then you know how to control her, and so on. But suppose now if you have so many girlfriends, then I don't think so that you will know each and every one of them, right? So that's the reason. So you better focus only in one or two, that's it. Don't focus on all those 50 stocks, because it's really tough and it's really difficult for me. Even for you also, I think it will be really tough. But as a beginners, but as a beginners, if you want to enter into the stock market, then practice first, do paper trading first with those equity cash. Because in a derivative, if you do know all, I means if you don't have experience, or if you don't have a good knowledge, then when you came to this derivative market, then obviously you will blow up your account. Okay, so now let me talk about option buying first. As an option buyer, when we feel that markets will go up, we used to buy call option. In short is CE. But when we feel that markets will go down, we buy put option. In short is PE. Okay. When we feel that markets will go down like this, as an option buyer, we buy put option, right? Example, the premium of put option currently is 100 rupees, and the market started to fall down like this, and so on. Then the premium of this put option will start increasing from 100 rupees to 110, or to 120, or to 150, and so on. So if you buy at 100 rupees, and if you sell at 120 rupees, then you will make a profit of 20 rupees. That's it. But as an option seller, as an option buyer, when we feel that market will go up like this, we buy call option. Example, the premium price currently of this call option is 100 rupees. And when the market started rising, or increasing and increasing and increasing, or it's keep on going up and going up and going up, then the premium of this from 100 rupees start increasing to 110, to 120, to 130, and so on. So if you buy at the rate of 100 rupees and if you sell at the rate of 130 rupees, then you will make a profit of 30 rupees, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next topics, that is option seller. Option selling, I mean. Option seller or option selling is same. And sometimes I used to be an option seller, but most of the time I am an option buyer. I mean, like, especially in expiry day or the day before expiry day, I am an option seller only. But in Fridays or Monday, I am an option buyer. So as an option seller, when I feels that market will go up, I sell put option. Example, now the premium of this put option is 100 rupees and the market keeps on going up and going up and going up and going up, then the premium of this put option will keep on decline to 90 rupees, to 80 rupees, 70, 60, 50 rupees and so on till it became zero. So suppose now if I sell at the rate of 100 rupees and buy back at the rate of 50 rupees, then 50 rupees I will make profit, right? Okay. So when I feels that market will go down, as an option seller, I will sell call option. Suppose the premium of call option right now is trading 200 rupees and the market keeps on falling and falling and falling and falling, then the premium of call option also will keep on declining to 180 rupees, to 160 rupees, to 140 rupees, to 120 rupees and so on. So when I sell at the rate of 200 rupees and buy back at the rate of 120 rupees, then I will make a profit of 80 rupees. Okay. But if you want to become an option seller, you need a big capital because we have to pay margin. Just for one lot, if you want to sell just for one lot, it will cost you around 2 lakh. It will cost you around 2 lakh rupees just for one lot. One lot is on one lot for bank or for Nifty is 75 quantities, and for Nifty is for Nifty is 75 quantities and for Bank Nifty is 25 quantities. But if you are an option buyer, if you buy for one lot, you don't need to pay margin. You just only need to pay the actual amount of those premium. Suppose as an option buyer, if you buy one lot of Nifty, that is 75 quantity, at the rate of 100 rupees premium, then you will need to pay only 7,500 rupees. But as an option buyer, if you want to sell one lot of Nifty, that is 75 quantity, suppose at the rate of 100 rupees only, you have to pay margin, which came almost around 2 lakh rupees. So there are some of the advantages and some of the advantages why you want to become an option seller and why you want to become an option buyer. So those topics I will discuss in the next video.